Hi friends, today we are starting SketchUp. We'll see introduction. So what is SketchUp? SketchUp is a suite of subscription product that includes SketchUp Pro Desktop, a 3D modeling computer aided design. We call it as CAD program. And for a broad range of drawing and designing application, which includes for architectural and interior design and industrial and product design and landscape and architectural and civil engineers. And SketchUp company is owned by Trimble. The program is currently available as a web-based applications, SketchUp for free, and 3 paid subscriptions also we have. We'll see in next sessions like how to install the software and all. I will explain it direct. I will explain you. So watch the video till the end. Do subscribe the channel and for more updates. Okay, and we'll see history. So what is the SketchUp? How it came? So SketchUp was first developed by startup company at Last Softwares of Boulder and Colorado and co-founded in 1999 by Broadshell and Joe H. So SketchUp was created in August 2000 as a 3D content creation tool and was envisaged as a software programming for a designing professionals. And for next, Google acquired the Lost software of SketchUp on March 14, 2006 and attracted by Lost Software's work developing a plugin for Google Earth Pro. And on January 9, 2007, Google announced SketchUp 6 for a free downloaded versions in SketchUp Web. And at last, by the Trimble Navigation, acquired the SketchUp from Google on June 1st, 2012 for an undisclosed sum, and at last a final in 2013 they were released by the Trimble company. For new site was provided for extension warehouses and hosting plugins and extension for SketchUp. Okay, I think you have understand so where the SketchUp has been started and where it has been ended, and now the Trimble company is going to provide all the software, everything. Okay, now we'll see how to install the SketchUp software for free for practicing all the tools which I'm going to explain now. Okay, so first we need to go with Google. See, in Google Chrome, open Google Chrome and type, and you can see the link here, www.sketchup.com, and go to the download SketchUp. I will show you. See here. So if I see in Google, I need to type SketchUp, sketchup.com, and enter. And this is the official web page. Okay, and here you will see an option called Try SketchUp. So if you select Try SketchUp, so here it's showing so 3 packages or subscriptions for education. If any students is there, you can use your ID card and you can have of 6 months or 1 year period. And if you don't have means, you can go with professional 30-day trial pack. Okay, and here they have mentioned no credit card also be required, and for freely you can install for 30 days. Okay, before going to install this software, you need to sign in here at the top right corner. Sign in. If you sign in by Google account or Trimble account, you can directly, you will get the link of software and keep on next, you will get be installed. Okay, now we'll see the software interface. After installing the software, we'll get a screen like this. Okay, so now we'll see the interface of software. So we have mainly 7 phases. First one is title bar, second one is menu bar, third one will getting started toolbar, and fourth one drawing area, status bar, measurement box, and default panels. Okay, we'll see in this software. So first one, this, so this we can call it as title bar. Next one is menu bar. This is second one, menu bar, and this is third one, fourth one, fifth, sixth, and seventh. So second one will be menu bar, third one will be get started bar, and fourth one will be drawing access, and fifth one status bar, and sixth one, and here measurements. So what are the measurements we are giving in centimeters, meters, millimeters, that like command panel. In AutoCAD we have command panel, right? So like that only in SketchUp we'll have measurements. And at last default tray or default panel we call it as. So this is about SketchUp software interface. I think you understand what is SketchUp on how it will be looked. Okay. Now what is template and what is unit setup? So if I open the software, I will show you how to. So this is our SketchUp. Already I have installed the software. Click on SketchUp. See, if you select the SketchUp version, you will get a welcome dialog box like this. See, here we have an option called template. So this is our simple inches template and simple meters, architectural inches, architectural millimeters, architectural centimeters, and this is meter. If I want my drawings or if I want my 3D model in meters or millimeters, then I need to select these templates. Understand? Now I will go with like inches. So I have selected inches, simple inches option. Now the software is getting open. At starting it takes some time to open. So already I have explained you like what are the software interface, right? And see, here we'll have a toolbar. This toolbar we'll call it as drawing toolbars, this one, and this one is edit toolbars, and this one is construction toolbars. Okay, so first I will select and I will delete. Okay, so now you understand what is template and how to open the template, right? Now I have selected inches template. How will you check out that you have exactly selected that inches template? For that you need to go with here model information. See, at the left side top bottom we have an option called credit option. Select this. We will get a model information, and in units we need to check. See, here we have a option called architectural, decimal, engineering and fractional. So I will select architectural and display precision as 0 inches, and next okay, they can just close it off. Now your units has been selected in inches. Okay, so in first one, now unit setup also we have seen how to create and go to model info and select the units which we want, decimal and architectural. Okay, and in upcoming videos we're going to cover the options like drawing tools, edit tools. In drawing tools what and all we'll have like line, freehand, rectangle, rotated rectangle. So and how to use these tools, that we'll see in next coming classes. Okay, and thanks for watching. If you like the video, just subscribe to our channel and click like button, and thank you.